Hi, everybody. Welcome to our session today on how to take data. For our session, we'll be using our Noteable ABA app. It should already be downloaded on your devices. So we'll go ahead and click on Noteable ABA. And once it opens, you will put in your company email. So first name dot last name at autismbts.com. So we will go ahead and sign into Noteable ABA. Once you sign in, you should be able to see all of your sessions. As you can tell, I have a completed session with Tina T. That's how it should look once it has completed. But we will go ahead and click on the top left corner where there are the 3 dashes. And when you click on that, you should see this option. Go ahead and click on your clients, and you should see a list of the clients that you are working with. I will be working with Tina Test today, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I will get a list of all the objectives that the BCBA has put for Tina Test. I can click on each objective individually or go ahead and select all in order to get all of the objectives into our data taking session. It is better to select all because then you have the option of doing any of the objectives rather than choosing, because let's say I did not select tag 50 items, but I decided to do that during session. So go ahead and select all and then start now at the bottom. This does not start your session. You have to select start in this page in order to start your session. I will go ahead and click start, and as you can tell, the timer has started. Now my session has begun at 12:26 p.m. As you can tell, each objective has its targets. The tagged 50 item has these multiple targets. It has all the targets that were given by the BCBA. So let's say I will be doing the intervention for intraverbal questions. I will ask Tina, how old are you? And if she is able to answer, I will select positive. If she is unable to answer according to the guidelines that the BCBA has given to you, you will select negative. And let's say that I accidentally selected negative, but when I meant to select positive, so you can press the arrow right here to take it off. Right there. This should be able to take that error that I had. As you can see, there are trials that are listed in how old are you. We have trial 1 of 5. If the BCBA has given you a minimum trial of 5 or 10, be sure to complete all of those trials in order to have accurate data for your client. So as you can tell, I'm taking the data and the number in the trial is increasing. It is keeping count of every single trial that I have done. Now that we have the data taken care of, if you go down to where the behaviors are, we have elopement from activity, tantrum, and SIV. Anytime your client displays a behavior that has been listed by the BCBA, it will be down here. You will just press on it in order to keep track of those behaviors. If you accidentally select a behavior, you can always press the reverse arrow to get rid of that behavior and then just push it back down. So you will be taking your data in this way. in order to make sure that it is all accurate. Once you have completed taking your data, you will press the end button on the top right-hand corner in order to end your session. And please only do this 10 to 15 minutes before your session ends, so that you have enough time to make your case study note. So once you press end, it will give you this option of ending the session. I will go ahead and select no continue for now to show you if we have, let's say, 0 tantrum behaviors down here, the option that it gives me. So it says end session. I will go ahead and session. And now it's telling me that this client did not have any tantrums during this session. I want to also make sure that I always select 0, because if we exclude it from the results, we will not have accurate data to show that this client did not have any of those behaviors. So go ahead and select 0, and then your session will end, and you will see the green tab on the bottom to indicate that your session has been saved. It has to become green in order to make your session note. You cannot make a session note if it's still orange. That just means that you need to have access to the internet or Wi-Fi in order to make sure that your data has been sent to make the case note. And that is how you take data. Thank you.